pasta alla Zozzona, also known as filthy pasta. Let me tell you, it's filthy delicious. Give this a try. Very easy recipe. You are going to love it. Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.